Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. My beautiful crafty friends, we're going to be making some fun admission tickets embellishment. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this fun little cute adorable embellishment using some tickets, admission tickets, and some really fun little mini cupcake liners. All right, so I have here 4 that I already made, and I'm going to make 2 more with you guys, okay? And I'm going to show you how simple this is to create these really fun embellishments. Now, these embellishments you can add to a really fun goodie bag, or even if you want to add it to your October daily, that would be a great idea. You can use it as little tags, or you can use it as cute little decorations. So I have here an admission ticket that you can really get these anywhere. The best place that you can get these admission tickets that you're not gonna waste your time is probably Party City. But the Dollar Tree does have some of these. They may not have orange, but I know that they do sell these admission tickets. And you can really find them in any craft store. Even like I also noticed that Staples sells these as well. I don't know how expensive they are, but these are very easy to find. You can also create your own. I also have I think it's not a stamp. Actually, I do have a stamp that is also shaped as an admission ticket. You can use that, and you can fussy cut it, or you can actually use a punch, which I also have, that gives the admission ticket kind of look. All right, or worst comes to worst, then draw yourself a nice cute one. So I'm going to make 2 embellishments. I'm going to use an orange and a white admission ticket, and I'm going to try to create this here with you. Okay, we're going to use some mini cupcake liners to make the little embellishment around the admission ticket. So I'm going to use 2 of these little mini cupcake liners. I'm just going to fold it in half and scrunch it in the center to make a nice little cute embellishment that looks like that. Okay, punch in the center, you hold it, and then you open it up, and then you kind of play around with it to the size that you are looking for. So here we have 2. So I'm going to take the white admission ticket, and I'm going to actually glue down my little cupcake liner to the corner of my admission ticket. So I have here some hot glue, and I'm just going to add that right in the corner. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. You should get something that looks like this. The cupcake liner in the corners of the admission tickets. All right. Now we're going to add the orange admission ticket on top of where that little cupcake liner is. So we're going to add 1 here and 1 here. But with this one back here, I don't know if you can see there, but with this one I added a dimension on the back right here. All right, so that's so that it can lift up a little bit. So we're gonna do that. Let's add a nice little dimension right around this area right here on the white one, so when we lay this down, it's gonna give it a little bit of dimension. All right, let's do that. So I got 2 dimensions here. And I'm going to literally, okay, so I don't want it, I want to go roughly around here. Okay, because when we glue this down, that's exactly what I want. That's exactly what I want. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Roughly around here. Okay. Now you can cut this part out if you want, or you can leave it alone. But I'm going to leave it alone for now. And I'm going to glue this down. And you see that? See the little part right there? You can cut that off if you want afterwards, okay? All right. So let's open this. Let's remove this backing. And we're going to glue this down right in that area right there, okay? And add a little bit of hot glue here. And I want this to be over this way like that. Okay, see that, how that looks? You can see the white one in the back and you can see this one right here. I kind of like that. All right, now this back here you don't have to worry about. You can always cover this up with something else, or you can always, if you want to cut it out, you could cut this part out. It really doesn't matter. All right, so the same thing here. We're going to add this one emission over this area right here. So I'm going to lift this up a little bit more. Okay, and let's add a little bit of hot glue. And now we're going to glue down the emission over this area right here. And there you go. And you should get something that looks like this. This nice little layer of emission tickets layering down. But it looks really, really pretty. All right. Okay, perfect. The next thing we're going to do. So we're going to add a cute little pumpkin little faces. Now this pumpkin face that I have here are these really fun wood little decoration, like wooden decorations that I got years ago, right? But I have to say that you don't necessarily have to use this. You can actually use like stickers if you have, or you can make your own. So you don't have to necessarily have these kind of embellishments that I work with, because you can always create yourself something similar, or you can always change it around and maybe use stickers. All right, I'm going to glue my happy face or my pumpkin face right in this little corner right here, and I'm going to glue this one in this little corner right there. All right, so hot glue on the back, and we're going to glue this down right in this corner right there. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Glue right there. All right, our embellishment is almost done. The next thing I'm going to do is just add the cute little gem on the nose, which I have my gems. Where are my gems? Oh no, oh no. Where are my gems? Where are my gems? Okay, here it is. I'm going to use these, okay? I'm going to add a teensy little bit of glue on the back, and I'm going to add it to the nose. Just very teensy. And add it to the nose. Just to make sure that it doesn't fall off. See that? How cute is that? If you don't have gems, then you can probably use buttons if you want. You can also use pom-poms if you want. You can use sequins if you want. Yeah. So if you don't have these little gems, you can always switch it up a little, okay? Okay, a tiny little glue. And I'm going to add this right in the nose. And there you go. Voila. And then you have it. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a few of these little gems right in this little corner right here and right in this little corner right here. So I'm going to add 3. Okay, of these little gems. Actually, these 3 are together. This makes it easier, actually. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue in the back, and I'm going to very quickly add these little gems right on this area right there. Okay, oops. Okay, so very quickly, we got to work really quickly. If you don't want to use hot glue, you can always use wet glue on this too. Okay, I like hot glue because it just glues really fast and I don't have to worry about waiting for it to dry. But you don't really have to use hot glue. Okay, see that? And there's the finished look to that. Look how cute that looks. Let's do the other one and then we're done. Now what I'm going to do with these embellishments, I'm going to add them as a little embellishment to a chocolate bar that I'm going to be gifting for Halloween. Okay? But you can use this for anything. You don't have to use it for that. You could really use this for anything that you want. All right. This one's going to be a little bit hard because this is not, they're not together. They're like individual. So this is going to be challenging. Okay, hold on. I got to find one that's already connected. That makes it easier than doing them individually. So I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to cut out 3 so that this way makes it easier for me to just grab instead of doing them individually. That makes it much more easier. Okay. And then very carefully we're going to peel these off and they're going to come together. See how they come together in 3s? That makes it much easier to glue down than to do it individually. Okay, a little bit of hot glue here, here, and here. I'm going to add this right in this area right here. And we are done. And there you have it. There's our cute little embellishment that we created together. How adorable is this? These are so cute. Now with this one, I added a sequence right there. Oops. I added a sequence right there. But you can always use buttons if you want, or you can use whatever you want. It doesn't have to be sequence. But this is basically how you make these really fun, adorable, one emission ticket little embellishments. I hope that you guys like this. These are so much fun. I love them. All right, my loves. I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these really fun embellishments. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you comment. And let me know what you guys think about these adorable embellishments. Bye, my loves. I'll see you soon.